Hey guys, in this part we talk about file path in HTML. A file path describes the location of a file in website folder structure. So I create folders and images. I create HTML folder and banner 3, and in HTML folder I create images folder and index.html. In images we have banner folder and banner 1, and in banner we have banner 2. So we want to show these three images. So I create an image tag and set width and height, and src, copy, paste and paste. So banner 1 in images folder, so dot and backslash and images folder and banner 1, and banner 2 in images folder and banner folder, images folder, banner folder and banner 2, and banner 3 is outside of HTML folder. So I put two dot and backslash and we have banner 3, and select this, Ctrl S and Ctrl R. We have these three banners.